Okay, so today I will show you how to make chai latte that is great for boosting hair growth, reducing hair fall, strengthens hair, and softens it as well. Except you don't get to drink this, but you get to pour it all over your hair. So here are the ingredients. Now you can use black tea, but I prefer green tea because it's not drying on the hair. Now green tea stimulates hair follicles, it encourages growth, it reduces hair fall, it strengthens hair roots, and it fights dandruff, and it also strengthens the strands of your hair because it is rich in antioxidants, it has anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties, plus it makes your hair softer too. By the way, if you can see right here, I also made them into cubes, ice cubes as well for later. And now this is an option, but I will add in moringa powder and mix it along with the green tea because moringa is packed with vitamins A, B, C, and E, zinc, and antioxidants, and actually iron as well, which is essential for strong, healthy hair growth. It also helps fight hair loss and it reduces breakage. Plus, it helps balances scalp oil production. So I really had to add it in there. I had to filter out some of its granules just so that it doesn't get stuck in the hair. And for the milk, of course, I will use the fresh coconut milk. I get them straight from the wet market just to ensure that it is fresh. And I like using this because it deeply nourishes the scalp, it promotes hair growth, it reduces hair fall, it smoothens and softens both your hair and scalp. And if you've been seeing my recent hair care routines, you know that I use coconut milk because it is rich in protein that can help rebuild hair damage. Okay, so now let's assemble it. So first, of course, I added in the tea, the iced tea, and then the milk, and then the tea. Now, I know this is ice, but you can also use this lukewarm. I do like the combination of this because it's not drying on the hair, but at the same time, it's very moisturizing, and it has, of course, a lot of hair growth benefits, and it prevents hair shedding too. And also, I don't mind using ice on my hair because it is so hot in my country right now that this actually provides a nice cooling sensation on my scalp. And also, please don't be like me. I spilled some on the floor because I'm filming, of course, but use it in the sink or in the bathroom because it is kind of messy. Now in here I basically bathed my hair all over with this. I just had a small basin here with me, but I suggest at least use a spray bottle for the application so you don't waste anything. But I did it in this way anyway. So I let that soak on my hair for about 20 minutes and then just rinse it off with water. Alright, so 30 minutes is up. Rinse it off with water, and then I use a new shampoo actually. And this is a new one. It's a coconut shampoo. What I like about this is that it doesn't have parabens in mineral oil, and it also prevents dandruff too. And I like using this because it helps get rid of the excess oils from the coconut milk, but also at the same time, it does not strip off the natural oils off my hair. So I had to use this all over my hair, by the way, and not just on my scalp, just because I put the solution all over my hair. Now from here, I will simply rinse it off with water. And I'm not going to use any conditioner at all because my hair feels very soft at this point already. And then after, of course, I just air dried it, and this is what it looks like. I like this hair treatment because it is very conditioning and moisturizing on both my hair and scalp. And if you want a hair solution or a treatment that would help, you know, get rid of dry hair or treat damaged hair, this is it. Also, if you're experiencing dry and itchy scalp, this is a great remedy too. Also, what I like about this is that it doesn't weigh down the hair. Also, it does not leave your hair oily as well. And of course, if you want to grow out your hair, keep it healthy, and stop excessive hair fall, this is very good to use too. And actually the strands of my hair feel stronger and very soft too, so this is definitely a must try. And as I've said, this is something that you have to use consistently in order for you to see the results. So that's it. If you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and share it to your friend if you found this content valuable, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!